Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. With over 1,500 machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, milling machines, saws, grinders, and much more. Today what we're going to show you is a really nice Bridgeport mill. This has a Prototrak M2 controller. It's a 2-axis CNC machine. One really nice way to notice that as you're shopping for these so that you can know what you're looking at is you'll notice there is no servo here on the head of the Z. What that's going to mean is it's not a 3-axis. You'll see a large servo here, large servo here. That's going to control your X and your Y, giving you the 2-axis capabilities. We'll go ahead and turn the machine on, let you hear it. Has a nice 2-horsepower motor. It's a Series 1. This is pretty much what Bridgeport came out with. And all that's changed is their variable speed. There's not much that has changed with these machines. They're very, very well built. It's a 2-horsepower motor. Has a Southwestern Industries Prototrak M2 controller. You'll see the X, Y, and Z on here. The X is only for readout, so that's really nice that you do have, or the Z is only a readout. So you will have the readout on the Z Quill, and the X and Y is going to show you where we're at. Now we put a little program in here, a circular pocket. We're going to go ahead and show that, and then we can get a close-up of the controller and let you see all that going through. We'll go ahead and put that down and lock it in. We'll hit go, and it's going to go ahead and make into the program. And you'll see the table moving. Nice and quiet. Runs really smooth. So right now it's making a circular pocket. It's going to go all the way around. The quill is going to stay in the same position. Now if you do have to set some different parameters to have to drill into it at a certain point or put another tool onto it, you can go ahead and set that in here. So your X and Y can go to a specific point. You can go ahead, pull the quill down, do your drill, push it again, and it'll go to the next specific point that you have set, pull it down, and so on. You can get a lot of productivity out of this machine. Not a lot of programming because it's already going to be set up in there. And take a look here at the controller. You can see everything going through. Take a look, you'll see the numbers of the X, Y, and Z. And that's showing in real time where the table is at. And the part's over. You can see it says run over. It's back into the home position. And you can start your piece again. All you'd have to do is hit go after you get your piece set up. So if you're looking to purchase a new or used milling machine, CNC or manual, we do carry it all. We have hundreds and hundreds of manufacturers here at Sterling Machinery. If you want to take a look inside our place, you can take a look at our new Google Maps. Just pull up Google Maps and go right inside. You can take a small tour of our showroom and see what we're all about. Please give us a call, 626-444-0311, or check out our website for current inventory at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com.